Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all in series of blockchain. Today we have a session number 2. So in previous session, I discussed about the blockchain, about the distributed ledger and the concept of public, private, and how exactly the consortium blockchain that work. Except that the characteristic of blockchain, what exactly the security and the validation, and when we do consider that transaction and some sort of that distributed nature and behavior that works quite genuinely to make it secure and accurate transactions from one side to another side. Except that blockchain is, you can say it's a system of recording that information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change or hack even that SHA-256 encryption algorithm. And then there is a digital signature involvement during that working from that transaction one side to other side. So you can say it is a system, and this is a system which is very, very important when we consider way that it makes difficult or impossible to make a change, hack or cheat the system. So you can say difficult to make any change in system. That is, you can say for that point of view, blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that is also considered as digital ledger and is essentially that for a transaction of transactions that is duplicated and distributed, that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network, So that is also very, very important with this one. And when we consider the properties as a distributed ledger, and we talk about the properties of that blockchain and all these, so this is that programmable, which is big characteristic, and a blockchain is programmable. For example, that is smart contracts, that is also there. And second is distributed by nature. As I already told you that all network participants have a copy of the ledger for complete transparency. So all that participants, they have copy of you can say the ledger for complete transparency in the transaction. And next one is secure. It is secure also. When we consider as a secure, all records are individually encrypted. So we talk about the encryption that is overall there. And then anonymous. This is also a very big plus with that. So identity of participants is either anonymous or pseudonymous. So that is identity when do we talk about anonymous, which is also a big thing. And then timestamp is also involved with that. We can consider timestamp. So timestamp is also one thing which is quite important, and that is recorded on a block. So a transaction timestamp, you can say, that is recorded on a block. So basically it's a chain of blocks, you can say. And very much accept that why is there so much hype around blockchain technology? Because of the prevailing issues, trust during that transaction, the financial transaction, and the accuracy that we can consider blockchain and its different cryptocurrencies that able to work on that. So this is the brief discussion about the about the properties of blockchain. These videos helpful for your Viva point of view, exam point of view, and for short time if you're facing some questions in interview. So definitely watch these videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.